Ever wondered how a jet engine turns nothing but air into the massive thrust that sends a 300-ton aircraft into the sky? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're going inside a turbofan jet engine to break down the incredible engineering that turns air into thrust. At its core, a jet engine follows one simple principle: take in air, add energy, throw it backwards. And Newton's third law takes care of the rest. But the real magic lies in how this process is controlled, compressed, ignited, and accelerated with stunning precision. It all begins at the front with a massive fan, a multi-blade carbon titanium disc that acts like a giant vacuum, pulling in hundreds of kilograms of air every second. Around 80% of that air bypasses the engine core, flowing around the outside to provide most of the thrust in modern high-bypass engines like the G90 or Rolls-Royce Trent, because cold air accelerated gently is far more efficient than hot air accelerated violently. The remaining air enters the compressor, a series of rotating and stationary blades that squeeze the air tighter and tighter, sometimes up to 40 times atmospheric pressure. This compression raises air temperature dramatically, setting the stage for efficient combustion. Next comes the combustion chamber, where finely atomized jet fuel is sprayed into the supercompressed air and ignited. The result is a roaring, high-energy stream of expanding gas that can reach temperatures over 1,500 degrees Celsius. That energy rushes straight into the turbine, the heart of the engine, where several stages of turbine blades extract power, just enough to drive the front fan and all the compressors, while still letting enough exhaust flow out the back to produce huge forward thrust. These turbine blades are technological masterpieces, made from single crystal alloys, cooled internally by air channels, and coated with ceramic layers, so they can survive temperatures hotter than their own melting point. Finally, the accelerated exhaust shoots out the nozzle, creating a high-velocity jet that pushes the aircraft forward. Behind the scenes, advanced sensors, phatic computers, variable stator vanes, and precise fuel metering keep the whole cycle perfectly balanced. And that's how a turbofan jet engine turns raw air into controlled, continuous, massive thrust that carries millions of passengers through the skies every day. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more deep dives into the engineering that powers our world. And as always, stay curious.